Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konami. So, for tonight's video, this is going to be for one of my top 3 gifters. So, if you have been one of my top 3 gifters, this is your free tarot reading video post. So, thank you so much for the gifts in one of my live streams. So, check the comments down below if you've been tagged. However, this reading may also resonate to people born under the sign of Judgment is Scorpio. Okay, so if you're a Scorpio, Judgment has got something to do with a conclusion after doing everything that you can regarding a specific situation. Now, ang specific situation dito, death card, termination. So maybe you ended a relationship, maybe you handled somebody's death, or pwede rin na nag-resign ka sa trabaho, or na-terminate ka sa trabaho, or nag-resign ka sa trabaho, or meron kang tinapos na business, or any source of income para may sisimulan kang panibago. So, parang yung judgment is more on, did I do the right thing? Have I done the best that I can? Nung tinapos ko yung bagay na yon. So, try to think kung ano yon. Pwedeng you ended a friendship, you ended a relationship, you disconnected from a toxic relative, or anything na parang you deemed um, na parang hindrance lang siya sa progress mo, kaya tinapos mo. Now, what do you need to do about this? Try your best to come up with a decision regarding how are you going to proceed and stick to that decision. Bottom of the deck is Six of Wands in reverse. You don't have to show off na ito yung ginawa ko kasi ito yung gusto ko. A lot of times, yung mga next mong steps, you have to be quiet about it. And also, there is something about being humble, especially if parang you need to start all over again. Parang hush-hush na lang. There's no need to update everybody, especially kung wala namang nagtatanong. And if you're going to do that, possible outcome for you is the Five of Pentacles. By doing this, parang you're giving yourself a chance to see kung sino yung concern sa'yo, kung sino yung i-consider na tulungan ka, especially ang dami mong kinut off or mayroong drastic na change or ending sa life mo. Parang this is you finally finding out kung sino yung sincere sa'yo, nagsisimpathize sa pinagdadaanan mo, at sino yung walang pake. And don't feel sad about it kasi advantage yun sa'yo. It means, pag umangat ka ulit, alam mo na kung sino yung loyal sa'yo. At saka alam mo na kung sino yung hindi papansinin. Bottom of the deck is Nine of Cups in reverse. There is something na you failed to pursue in your past na pwede mong i-pursue na ngayon. Maybe kasi wala nang masyadong nakikisawsaw, wala nang masyadong makikialam. At saka, it will be hurtful, pero kasi I would like to say kasi wala nang masyadong may pakialam. Now, another thing about this is, yun nga, parang kung ano yung napagdesisyonan mo, stick to it, make sure it's going to be progressive, and huwag magpapadikta sa kung sino man ang maraming opinion about your decisions in life, pero wala namang ambag. Okay? Anyway, that's all I'm seeing here. And if you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, just send me a private message. Happy to help.